Every day I jump out of bed, splash water all over my head, brush 'em up my teeth, and make sure my ears are clean. These days you gotta be strong, so I do a push-up and sing a song. I pick on the guitar and stamp on the tambourine.
This is not...
And this is Doris Bashan. No, Doris Blossom Bashan.
Cut. Okay, you're doing it wrong.
Okay, ready? I'd like to restart.
Okay, what's that?
Sit! Here we have Chester. This is the nice dog. Dixie, sit! Obviously she's not as nice. Good boy, Chester. Want it? Go get it. We have Minka. The big oaf. And Doris! What are you doing, Doris?
Doris.
This is Tobias, our tortoise. He lives downstairs in an aquarium. We've had him for a long time. He's actually supposed to live for like 60 years. So we'll help him for a while. And that was Minka.
Always good to change my socks, know the tools in my toolbox, learn people good, but learn myself the best. Don't
Get
go
him, Minka,
alone, so
get
stay
him.
glad, take a bath, wear some plaid, work when I can work, but don't forget to rest. Dream good all night long, rise up and sing your song. They say life is hard and they're not wrong, so keep that machine running strong.
Whoa! This is our rabbit Frank. He used to live in that, and then we're like, why not give him some roommates? So now he just lives out here with all the chickens.
Eat some dandelions, Frank.
I don't think it wants anyway. Dad, what do we have here?
We have pigeons.
Pigeons. Why do we have pigeons?
Red.
We have white pigeons for weddings, and the racing pigeons. You take them way far away and they race home.
How do they know how to get back home?
You have to train them.
How far is way far away?
A couple 100 miles.
Wow.
Look!
Oh, good job.
Okay, so this is one of our white pigeons. We actually raised them, and we had some last year that we released at Mandy and Dexter's wedding. And I think this year we'll do it at my wedding too. And they just fly back to our home, and so we can see them again. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't let Doris in.
No, Doris cannot come in.
It's hard!
Tyler and Abby are already in here.
You can see their wings are really pretty.
Oh, I got you.
He can fly pretty decently now. But see, he's a pretty good trained little one. Here, Dex, try and catch one. It's on camera.
It's hard. Hold on, you gotta hurt him.
You can do it. Oh, nice. Hey, little bird. Hold on, hold it. Let me. Bird. Hey, birdie bird. This is the prettiest bird we have, I think.
This one's pretty
It
weird.
has this shiny purple and green.
Adiole, adiole, adiole. Plan what you can plan, dance when you can, laugh at yourself and make up your own jokes. A little bit of fun, a little bit of growth, hopefully a little bit of both. Love your ma, love your pa, and love all kinds of folks. Talk quiet and listen loud, teach humble and learn proud, scuffle with the struggle and wrestle with the pain. Open homes, open blinds, open
Our neighbors have
open
cows that we go
minds,
feed
let in
sometimes
the
with apples.
sunshine,
Yep.
let in the
The new
rain.
boys. New boys.
Dream good all night long, rise up and sing your song. They say life is hard and they're not wrong, so keep that hope machine running strong. Adiole, adiole. Adiole.
Good boy!